Hey guys, in this one, we're testing if the Monopoly Go airplane mode glitch still works for free dice. Quick reminder, glitches aren't officially part of the game, so use them carefully and, at your own risk. Let's get into it. So you might be wondering, how does this glitch actually work? Basically, it lets you predict rolls. You roll once offline, then when you come back online, you get the exact same result again. Simple idea, but the catch is developers keep patching it. All right, first step, open Monopoly Go and pick your multiplier. I'm on times 10 right now. Roll once so you know where you're starting. Next, turn on airplane mode. Once you're offline, roll the dice again. You'll see a pop-up saying no internet connection pretty quickly. Yeah, that's normal. Now, this is the key part. Press and hold the Monopoly Go app, tap the info icon, scroll down and clear data. Confirm it. After that, just turn airplane mode back off. Once you're back online, open Monopoly Go, log in again and head back to the same multiplier. Roll the dice and you'll notice you get the exact same number as before. For me, that was an 11 and yeah, I got a shutdown both times. Now, here's something to keep in mind. If you stay on the same multiplier, you'll repeat the same roll. But if you change multipliers, like from times 5 to times 10, you'll get a different roll each time. So that's how people tweak the results. The big downside now, you only get one roll before the no internet warning. Before, you could do 3 or even 5 rolls offline, but now it shuts you down right away. So it's a lot weaker than it used to be. Another warning, if you do this too much, the game throws up a login limit message. Basically, it says, hey, you're logging in too many times in 24 hours. If you ignore that and keep going, you risk getting locked out or even banned. So yeah, don't spam it. So, does the glitch still work? Yeah, technically it does, but it's super limited now and honestly, not really worth risking your account. If you want to just have fun with Monopoly Go, I'd say play it normally, roll with friends, don't stress too much about chasing glitches. And that's it for this one. If you found it helpful, drop a like, hit subscribe, and check out the next tutorial here on. Thanks for watching.